How to send high quality video on Messenger. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can send high quality video, that is HD videos, on Facebook Messenger. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first step here is you will need to update your Messenger to the latest version, as the feature is only available to the latest version. So head over to your App Store, and on your App Store simply search for Messenger. So just type in Messenger, and after you type in Messenger, hit enter and Messenger should pop up. So there you will find Messenger. Now if you see the update option like this, simply tap on the update button to update your Messenger. After that, you can open up your Messenger app, and after you open it up, you will notice the gallery section right here. Simply tap on gallery. After you do that, you will see an option on the right hand side of the recents. There you will see a button called HD. What you'll have to do is tap on the HD option. After you do that, this is a new feature. You can just send the video and pictures in HD. So yeah, this actually just allows you to send high quality pictures. Now all of your pictures that you send will be on high quality. It's the highest quality possible that you can actually send in Messenger. And that's basically it, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos.